1, 2, 3. Baby, 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 don't you know yet? I've been on a high ever since we met. And I just smile so wide when I look in your eyes. Yeah, I cannot control what's happening inside. Don't let me go. Oh, I just wanna hold you, do everything for you. I'll always adore you. Just understand, no matter where we go, no one else will make me feel so grand. 'Cause every time you dance around, every time you make a sound, every time you look my way, I smile like I never have, baby. Every time you say my name, even when we're far away, I feel like a child. The way you make me smile.
Love is life's greatest treasure, and to embrace it wholeheartedly in the here and now is one of the most life-affirming experiences a human can have. What the two of you have is something unique, special, and rare to many. All of us here today have our own love stories, some short, others long, and some are yet unwritten. People called you two crazy at the ages of 12 and 13, saying you were too young to really know what love is. Yet you persevered, hand in hand with a variety of adventures, including numerous livestock shows, rodeo arenas, and a collection of buckles to pass down to your future children and grandchildren. 10 years of lambing, calving, foaling, hay seasons, college classes, new jobs, lesson plans, youth lamb clinics, and lots of laughter and friendship has shaped you into the amazing young adults you are today. You are both role models for those around you, and two of the most caring, fun-loving people all of us here today have the privilege of knowing. For over the past 10 years, you have grown and changed, ever so slightly, but have never lost sight of the true meaning of your relationship, unconditional love. Together in this moment, your iconic love story grows even stronger. From the moment you met as middle schoolers, you have supported each other's dreams with all you can. You can read each other's thoughts and know what is yet to come without hesitation. Let's just say, when Trent shows Arica a picture of a ewe or a buck, she responds with, "When are we buying them?" While at the same time, when Arica says she is going to have a foal and will sell it, Trent responds, "You know it won't actually leave our property." And sure enough, Arica's filly is here to stay in the family along with all their sheep. This level of understanding truly demonstrates the compassion and commitment you have towards each other. For a true love story never ends. In a true love story, you begin to understand that love is more than verses on Valentine's and romance in movies. You begin to know that love is here and now, real and true, and the most important thing in our lives. For love is the creator of favorite memories and the foundation of our fondest dreams. Without love, we merely exist. With love, we truly begin to live. For love is a promise that is always kept, a fortune that can never be spent, a seed that can flourish in even the most unlikely of places. And this radiance that never fades, this mysterious and magical joy, is the greatest treasure of all, one known only by those who truly love.
Nothing else can make me feel so grand.
Marriage is a commitment to life, to the best that two people can find and bring out in each other. A wife and a husband are each other's best friend, confidant, lover, teacher, listener, and counselor. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, and commitment is stronger.
You make me smile. Just let me hold your hand. Come on, girl, let me hold you. I look my way, I smile like I never have, baby. Every time you say my name, even when we're far away, I feel like a child. The way you make me